Nehemiah lived in the city of Susa and worked in King Artaxerxes' palace. He was a special helper to the king. Every day Nehemiah faithfully served the king. One day, Nehemiah's brother came to visit. He told Nehemiah some sad news about the city of Jerusalem where their family had once lived. His brother said, "The wall and gates surrounding the city are all fallen down. The people are in trouble." This news troubled Nehemiah. He wanted to help, but he didn't know how, so he prayed and asked God what he should do. Later, when Nehemiah was serving King Artaxerxes, the king noticed that Nehemiah looked sad. He asked Nehemiah why he was so sad. Nehemiah told the king, "The city where my people lived has been destroyed and the gates are torn down." The king asked Nehemiah what he wanted to do. Nehemiah prayed and asked God what to say to the king. Then he said, "Please let me go home and rebuild Jerusalem's wall and gates." The king wanted to help Nehemiah, so he allowed him to go to Jerusalem to work to repair the city. He even helped Nehemiah get the lumber he would need. When Nehemiah returned to Jerusalem, he rode around the city to see what needed to be done. Then he told the people he had returned to Jerusalem to rebuild its wall and gates. He also told them he would need lots of help. The people worked hard, and in 52 days the wall and gates were finished. The people celebrated and worshipped God because now they had a secure wall and strong gates around their city. Nehemiah was thankful that God had used him to help do this important work.